Welcome to Redline Channel Automotive. Based on current BMW design trends and campervan requirements, we can anticipate the external design of the 2026 BMW X7 Campervan, even if it is still in the speculative stage. With the dimensions of a big SUV, the BMW X7 offers a basic model with an opulent and elegant appearance. Its features include bright LED headlights and a huge kidney grille design. A taller roof will probably be added for campervan use in order to create more roomy cabin space. Sliding doors and bigger side windows were added for convenience. The inclusion of outside elements like roof racks, awnings, and extra storage space. Downforce may be increased by adding a diffuser and rear spoiler. BMW will continue to use opulent features like big wheels, chrome embellishments, and elegant LED lighting. High-end materials like Nappa leather, genuine wood, and metal accents will be used to line the inside, creating an opulent and exclusive atmosphere. Navigation, entertainment, and vehicle information are shown on a large infotainment touchscreen built into the dashboard, a digital instrument panel that can be adjusted to provide crucial information in an easy-to-read style. High-end audio system that generates sound of superior quality. Sophisticated communication features including wireless charging and Wi-Fi hotspot, automated climate control with many zones, an intelligent control system that manages lighting, temperature, and other devices. Extra security measures include parking sensors and 360-degree cameras, roomy and well-thought-out storage area for possessions, kitchenette with refrigerator, sink, and stove, restroom with shower and toilet. A unique campervan navigation system that provides details about parking and campervan amenities. Seats that fold or rotate to create a sleeping or eating area are part of the interior's flexible design, which maximizes cabin space. A place where two or more individuals can sleep comfortably. Self-sufficient electricity system that uses solar panels and batteries. Given recent advancements and trends in the automobile industry, the following factors should be taken into account while evaluating the engines of the 2026 BMW X7 Campervan. Powerful petrol and diesel engines are available for the modern BMW X7. These engine options will probably be kept in the 2026 Campervan version, with modifications made to comply with the most recent emissions regulations. Both a 3.0-liter turbocharged diesel and a 3.0-liter turbocharged gasoline engine are probably available. Power and torque will be crucial due to the campervan's size and weight.